And welcome back to Slime Weekly. So today we're going to be doing a video of me fixing this slime that is very bad with some hair gel. So
I made this beautiful black slime.
yeah, she made that one. And we're going to get to adding. What? Okay, so I got some hair gel and supposedly this will melt it.
Look at this one, it's so good.
This is very overactivated. Remove the activator. Okay.
Look how good this one is. Kenzie, feel it. Ready? Look. Look.
Okay. Oh yeah, that is good. We just made these slimes and we're just fixing them because this one was overactivated.
This one's too sticky.
Okay, so I mixed it all in and it's improving. It's making it very good.
And if you want our musical names, mine's Abigail Loving. And
Mine is That One Girl 526. So, it is not sticking to my hands.
So good.
It does not stretch very well, but it's.
This one feels really good.
It has a nice texture, but there's strings in it. And it makes some good clicking noises.
Mine's good.
Yeah, Abby's is way better than mine.
Candace's is
Coming together. She's literally just now making it.
Oh my god, hers is actually really good. It's so sticky though. It's like really weird. Like so
Mixing
weird.
the hair gel.
Phyllis.
Oops.
Okay.
Yeah, get you one picture. Sure you don't want it in my video?
Okay.
Whoa.
It's like butterscotch. No, okay. I'm just going to add more.
Now Candace, mix that in.
No, she doesn't want to get her hands involved with this.
Do you want to?
She don't want to get.
Yay! So this is getting way better slime. I think it's pretty good. But then again, I'm not a slime expert, so.
Backing
I
down
hope
on
you
that
guys
one.
like this video. Subscribe, like, anything else.
Post notifications.
Yes. Bye!